Anecdotally, because I've been taking this for a long time, if I don't take it, I start to feel 50 years old. It's horrible.
So if somebody goes and they put some NAD into an IV bag and then they put an IV in your arm and the NAD goes in, you're going to usually feel that. You feel energy, etc. Well, that's because your mitochondria are waking up.
Urolithin A is the first and only compound we found that revitalizes your mitochondria by activating mitophagy, which is your body's process of removing and rebuilding mitochondria.
NAD is a really small molecule, little chemical in the body that we need for life. It's used by the body for chemical reactions, 400 different reactions in the body, and without it, you're dead within seconds.
When NAD levels increase, could one possibly expect an increase in overall energy, focus, etc.?
Anecdotally, because I've been taking this for a long time, if I don't take it, I start to feel 50 years old. It's horrible. I can't think straight. It may be placebo, but who knows? But what we're doing now are very careful clinical trials. We've done the safety for 2 years, and we're now treating elderly patients at Harvard Medical School with some wonderful colleagues. And those people are actually going to be and currently in MRIs, so you can measure the energetics and the NAD levels in their legs as they exercise in real time. And that will tell us if what we see in the mice, this increased endurance, actually works.
Why is every clinic telling me I should have some NAD, etc.? Well, here's the thing. We get all the way down, get into your cells aren't working right, or you're trying to, kickstart your cells again, or maybe you've done some recreational or other things that have really slowed your brain down, you've had some problems with addiction, etc. Getting the mitochondria in your cells to wake back up and do their job helps to get the body back online. So getting NAD levels up in the body helps, because it turns out that the major way that the mitochondria, which give you all this energy and make your cells operate, the major way that they get their sort of electrical current to move energy and make ATP so that you have energy for yourself is through the breakdown of the family of NAD. It's not just NAD, but it's the family of NAD. So if somebody goes and they put some NAD into an IV bag and then they put an IV in your arm and the NAD goes in, you're going to usually feel that. You're going to feel energy, etc. Well, that's because your mitochondria are waking up, right? This is a good thing. So what if I do it the oral way? You're going to sometimes feel the same thing.
As we get older, the quality of our mitochondria declines, which is the key to how we age. The reason scientists and longevity experts are so excited about Urolithin A is because it revitalizes damaged mitochondria, addressing a core hallmark of aging. Urolithin A is the first and only compound we found that revitalizes your mitochondria by activating mitophagy, which is your body's process of removing and rebuilding mitochondria. Think of it like replacing burnout light bulbs with fresh new ones. It's essential for good health. And as we age, this process slows down, and that leads to cellular dysfunction and to fatigue, even increased risk for chronic diseases. Now, several groundbreaking studies have shown that Urolithin A can help stimulate mitophagy and improve mitochondrial function, essentially helping your cells produce more clean, efficient energy and fight back the declines associated with aging. Now, a clinical trial that was published in Cell Reports found that supplementing with Urolithin A improved muscle strength in middle-aged adults by boosting mitochondrial health. Now, that's huge because as we age, muscle decline is one of the biggest contributions to frailty and the loss of independence.